Does your money need Wi-Fi? Think about it for a second. We live in a world saturated with the internet. Our phones are constantly buzzing with notifications, our homes are filled with smart devices, and even our cars are increasingly connected. So, in this hyper-connected reality, does a modern financial institution, specifically one with a name like Brilliant Bank, truly need the internet to function? It seems like a no-brainer, right? In the 21st century, a bank without an online presence feels almost archaic. We've become so accustomed to digital banking, checking balances on our phones, transferring funds with a few taps, paying bills online, that the idea of a bank operating solely offline might seem impossible. But let's peel back the layers and consider what need truly implies. Could Brilliant Bank, in theory, exist and operate without any internet connectivity whatsoever? The answer, surprisingly, is yes. Historically, banks functioned perfectly well for centuries before the advent of the internet. They relied on physical branches, paper records, and face-to-face interactions. However, the crucial question isn't about mere existence, but about relevance and efficiency in today's world. Imagine a Brilliant Bank operating entirely offline. Customers would need to physically visit a branch for every transaction, depositing checks, withdrawing cash, applying for loans, even just checking their account balance. This would be incredibly inconvenient for customers, especially those living far from a branch or with busy schedules. Furthermore, the internal operations of an offline Brilliant Bank would be significantly hampered. Communication between branches would be slow and cumbersome, relying on physical mail or phone lines. Record-keeping would be a massive undertaking, prone to errors and requiring vast amounts of physical storage. Processing transactions would be slower, and the ability to offer sophisticated financial products and services would be severely limited. Think about fraud detection. In a digital environment, sophisticated algorithms can analyze transaction patterns in real time, flagging suspicious activity almost instantly. Without the internet, identifying and preventing fraud would be a much more manual and time-consuming process, leaving both the bank and its customers more vulnerable. Moreover, a Brilliant Bank without the internet would be at a massive competitive disadvantage. In a world where customers expect seamless digital experiences, a bank that can't offer online and mobile banking, digital payments, or even just basic online information would struggle to attract and retain clients. The efficiency and cost-effectiveness offered by internet-based technologies are simply too significant to ignore. So, while Brilliant Bank could technically exist without the internet, it wouldn't be a very brilliant bank in the modern context. It would be inefficient, inconvenient for customers, less secure, and ultimately uncompetitive. The internet isn't just an optional add-on for a modern financial institution. It's the very backbone of how banking operates today, enabling speed, efficiency, security, and accessibility. It's the digital infrastructure that allows banks to connect with their customers, manage their operations effectively, and offer the innovative services that we've come to expect. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.